Corrface machine Exploration-HENGCHUANG SERVO pressure-free leading-edge paper. Pressure-free Zeta dust removal. Efficient paperboard transportation and 7% to 10% enhanced compression resistance. At this stage of the corrugated packaging market, how can packaging companies maintain their base and realize sustainable operation? Corrface believes that an enterprise's operational thinking is crucial. In this video, Corrface goes to Suzhou Chixing Packaging, one of the earliest packaging companies in China engaged in carton production. Let's take a look at what kind of business operation this 55-year-old packaging company, which has achieved an annual output value of 100 million renminbi plus 20 years ago, is presenting nowadays. Corrface came to Chixing Packaging's front-end workshop. From the raw paper on the scene, we can see that Chixing uses different sizes and types of paper rolls, and has a wide range of order types. The corrugated line it uses is the German Constant Speed Star, purchased in 2011, with a maximum production speed of 220 m/min, and an average speed of less than 120 m/min on site. Because Chixing's paperboard is self-produced and self-used, it can be seen that they care more about paperboard quality than the average speed. This corrugated line, which has been in use for almost 14 years, still produces very flat, beautifully fluted, and stiff paperboard. We came to the back-end workshop of Chixing Packaging. It is reported that Chixing Packaging has invested a lot of energy in the transformation, and its most transformed pressure-free paper feeding comes from SERVO Leading Edge Technology Company. Limited HENGCHUANG Leading Edge specializes in providing customers with stable and efficient paperboard transfer solutions, and has transformed hundreds of pressure-free paper feeding platforms in the market. The fifth-generation machine of HENGCHUANG's Leading Edge uses the structure of vertical square bin, and its shortcoming lies in the existence of a lot of suction wind turbulence inside, which affects the flatness of paper feeding precision. However, fortunately, the sixth-generation machine has already solved this problem. The sixth-generation machine retains 4-axis control, but the gearbox has been changed to a trumpet-shaped design with a larger top and smaller bottom. Under the oblique mouth design, the entire suction force acts downwards, thereby avoiding the generation of turbulence and making paper feeding smoother. On-site testing shows that after the sixth generation of pressure-free paper feeding, the height of the paperboard remains unchanged, which shows a remarkable effect. It is worth mentioning that the effect of HENGCHUANG pressure-free paper feeding, in addition to improve the compressive strength of the paperboard, its use of upward suction can be very effective in removing the dust on the paper, which can greatly reduce the time and frequency of wiping the paperboard during printing. According to the person in charge of Chixing Packaging, after completing the pressure-free transformation of the printer, the pressure resistance of the paperboard after the transformation is improved by roughly 7% to 10%. For the past 20 years, Chixing Packaging has maintained a sales volume of over 100 million renminbi, largely due to its self-focused and not actively race-to-the-bottom operation model. In your opinion, how can a packaging company specializing in carton orders operate sustainably at this stage? Should we choose incremental production or conservative management, focusing on serving our own customer base? Follow Corrface for more exciting content.